again. Let's say hi. We are going to Belgium. Oh my god, so excited. It's sibling trip first of the year. Yeah, so airport is kind of looking a bit banjaxy. I don't really know what's going on, but it'll want to say something motivational to the camera. Do you want to say something? What? There's all the group calls say hi. Okay, it's a bit wobbly. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Scary. So we have a couple things to do. The most important thing we're going to do is the Balloon Museum. I'm actually so excited for that.
You know the woman's like, the white woman was talking to me, she's like, you know, Messel? She didn't say Messel, but she's like, I think you should take her for beats. I just pulled it up. Yeah. Yeah, I looked down at Mrs. Beats.
No, because you know the comments that got messed up that she went to Spain, yeah? Somewhere is ripped from the back. Where's the shoe? Guys, I have a list. Gunna just farted. I learned. Gunna, if you come here and expect any entity, you get knocked. I have a list of things to do. You guys cannot see anything. Currently, it's like, what's the internet? Oh, it's like -2. And nobody has no gloves, but it's okay. We finna freeze anyways. We finna be in the pit. Hey, never coming this early to the airport again, just for a while. For a while. Look at my people. Meso, my Sheila. Meso, you okay? Gonna. Guys, we've just landed in Belgium. You see the air? It's cold. It's -degrees. Yeah, how was your sleep? I'm not the good. How was your sleep? Good. Was that your sleep? I like this one. See that? Brr. So we're waiting for a bus. Our bus is in 6 minutes? Yeah, give or take. Yeah. Jesus Christ. This is a fool. We just landed the country goodness with these London bombs of farts. It's actually stinking. It's actually smelling so bad. I pray for people on this train. Look at this blue. Blue for hazard. Hazard farts. What? Guys, we're gonna go to a corner shop.
I did that no sooner. You're recording now.
Like these people are actually polluting the earth. Even the birds are fighting. That's like gives a fart. Supermarket stop. Hooray! Let's go. So you're a bit of a bum bum. How can we go to the thing that says open at 12 o'clock? I have to go to the oldest stinking shop. Goodbye shop. You were nice. Okay, so we ended up buying apple juice, and this guy was scanning things. I was like, oh, that's mine. I said, that's yours. Look, it's whitey. It's coming back. What the hell does that even mean? That's what he said. What the hell does that even mean? Anyways, off to the brunch place to have some pancakes. We're eating burgers in the morning.
Why is there a black burger?
Wait till delete that.
What the? Oh no.
Commercial break end. It's time to end. I think there's a gas of the fart is gonna be fart right now. I'm gonna punch you. Oreos. We also got churros as well. What? Oh, sorry. Finish. I'm gonna still eating his. Burger Jackson. God damn, this is mouths. Onions, Zuzu. You know? Sorry, they can't hear you. They'll speak up.
Okay. I'm like 7.5.
This is 7.5. I admit that the pancakes are a little different from one I had last year. They were still really good. But it wasn't hot. It was given lukewarm and baptizing water. We don't have time for that. Anyways, yeah. We have 6 minutes to.
I don't want to take a tram.
Where's the station called Herman? Anyways, this is the. Good, it's not a museum, it's in the hall. Yay, we made it. Turquoise. Yeah, but I already said that was the first thing I said. Camera. The camera. Guys, if you go here, nobody's gonna hear you scream. Oh, what the hell?
What is it? I was gonna be screaming.
Who's gonna hear you scream? Ooh. Guys, the atoms thingy? That's so cool, so close. Wow. Wow. What? So, we're gonna go to the museum now. Everyone get lost? I'm actually excited. Hope no one gets lost in the ball pit. What the hell's going on? Guys, you can go inside. You have to climb all those stairs though. That's so long. God forbid, it'll never be me. Guys, stop please.
If you can see my past, I'm gonna go around the world.
If you can see motivational, say it.
Take a leap. Take a leap. Take a leap. I said take a leap.
What the hell is that?
Take
We
a
may
leap.
be hungry, but we can manage our
Leapboats.com. Speeding through the highway, I don't see nobody.
Yeah, I'm telling you, if you're taking a leap with that Gunners company, might as well take a leap off the edge of Shibuya town.
Wait, what?
This is like the Mario Party music, bro.
Ooh.
Wait, take a picture, bro. Everyone's...
Okay. Guess the bounce castle.
Oh my god. How do you do that?
Oh, this is nice. Wait, this is someone's ass cheeks. Guys have spread it open for me now. God damn. Okay, what the hell is that character? That's so scary. What? What the hell? Don't follow her. Wow, guys, we're gonna get lost inside. Okay, save yourself, Widow. Widow. Anybody here? My specimens. Widow, I can see you. Who is that? What the hell? Yeah, that's cool though. What in the world? Who's meant to be a shark? Ew. But what the hell? Ew. It's hot. When I press down, you can see my hands, see our hands. That's so cool. Isn't it? Whoa. Yeah. Deflated disco ball. Would it blow back up? I'm actually kind of scared though. That's a bit scary. Oh, shining right in my eyes. Ooh. What in the world is this? I'm scared. Sorry. Arts you can feel. That's nice. No, it doesn't get it. These black things for our shoes. I don't know if you can see, but everybody has them on.
Black pins. I can bend.
See? Black things. Oh! Oh wow! Guys, there's stairs. To the middle? Okay, we go around. Guys, we're gonna go to the other side. I'm actually excited. Oh. Are you okay down there? This is so cool. Is somewhere. Where the hell are you? Okay, where am I falling? Why am I falling? Hello, sir. Sir, hello. Udo is nowhere to be found. Udo is swarming. Udo, are you drowning? Udo is swimming to shore. Udo, what the hell is that? Mister, what the hell? Mister, breathe.
Oh no!
Why is this guy swimming? Why is Udo trying to swim? What in the world? Oh my god. Can I step on it? Okay, I think it's dry ice bubbles. Wow. Like the state of the smell of this place. Don't be afraid to step in and touch interactive. Make yourself a what? A who? Oh. Okay. That's so cool. Oh, my head. I just got bounced it. Oh, I've been knocked in the eye. Oh, you can move them. There's a what on the road? Oh, I'm getting rocked. Where's Udo? Oh, this is hard. AirPods, good on your AirPods. Push you. Too many thoughts.
In the night garden.
Wow. Lord. That's so cool. Even under Angel 9. It is not under Angel 9. We tried out some VR headsets. Oh my goodness, so the game is finished. No way it's still there. My camera's actually dying and my phone's dying, 29%. But these are the different rooms they have. Look at this room. And this room. The spiders, God forbid. That's on that side. And then they have some more on this side. And they have some more things over there. The end of the museum. We've reached the end. Oh my gosh. They even have merch. Can't believe. What would you rate the museum?
10 out of 10. Especially
What would you rate the museum?
They said there's actually can feel. The only thing I felt was when the bulk in my neck. Besides that, and I feel it.
Anyways, but how did you rate the museum?
9.
The museum was very good. And it was actually long. That's very good actually.
What?
Honestly, you're ghetto. That's why your hair is left to the side. We were gonna go for Korean BBQ, but it was like we don't have enough time because it's 2 o'clock and our flight is at 5. So we're just gonna go to the supermarket and get some snacks and then head on our way, I guess. The corn dogs we're supposed to go to does not open on Monday. What the hell is wrong with this country not opening on Mondays? Can you not do like a Wednesday or something? Anyways. Wow, this shop stinks, man. This shop, oh, there's bakery down there.
No bills.
It's a bit. Oh my god. Oh, phone. No, iPad. No, camera is dying. 19%. But journey is close short. But anyways, at the end of the day, this trip was spectacular. More trips coming soon, hopefully. And we're gonna go buy some more snacks and then get to the airport and go home. And that was the end of this vlog, I think. Anyway, I don't know. Anyways, this concludes and the trip. We actually got through security and everything on time. Literally, we're flying in half an hour. Anyways, that's goodbye. Say your goodbyes. End of it. Gonna say your goodbyes. Gonna say your goodbyes.
Where were we again? Berlin.
No, Brussels.
Belgium, innit?
Yes.
Yeah. In a bit Belgium, Brussels.
Gonna say your goodbyes. Na 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 na. Anyways, by the way, our dad decided not to pick us up. We're using the bus. We're using the bus. This is actually the best way to end the trip because why are we on double bus? The wonders of double bus.